flowing today. Uma Anyar Waterfall. Okay, waterfall, 50 metres. Cool little gorge. Look at the skink with the cool yellow on the side. Yeah, so relaxed by the pallet deck chairs. With the waterfall view. Yeah, it's up here. Waterfalls look sick. A film, he drives in front of the sign. Thanks, mate. Christo. Alright, how's it going, people? We're at another waterfall in Bali, Uma Anyar Waterfall. I don't know. Anyway, see what it's all about. Okay, we're going down through the track. The internet said it was 10,000, which was $1, but then his price apparently was 25,000. I didn't even have. I'm running out of money on the last day, so I was like, "Can you do it for 22?" Like, he's like, "Fine, fine." So, thank you. I'll give you a little stamp on this one, if I can film myself. That's different, everyone else has been a ticket. Anyway, I don't know if this is super popular, but we'll see who's down here. Okay, waterfall, 50 metres. Down the steps we go. Here at Air Terjun. And also you can hear a pump or something, which is going to be delightful. Look at the skink with the cool yellow on the side. That's awesome. Hello. Wow, you're big. Uma Anyar Waterfall. Only spring water. Can't take a bath here. Right profile. Let's go over here to the shot. Right. See, there's an upper fall as well. It's quite big. Down in the bottom first anyway. Wow. Cool little gorge. Yeah, so relaxed by the pallet deck chairs. With the waterfall view. We'll go up here for a better front on shot. I was walking down the steps a bit quick and he's like, "Slowly, slowly, brother." I'm like, "Yeah, I'm good, mate, I'm good." Wow. All these people in my shot now. Waterfalls look sick. They should come back over here and I'll go over there, so it'll work out well. I don't know where the secret track goes, we won't go far. I'm just going to have a look at this bit here. I'm not going to try to follow the whole creek. Obviously you keep going, but yeah. Someone's over there washing in the holy water, which you're not allowed to, but they're washing. Maybe they've been blessed, they're allowed to touch it. So yeah. It's a flowing today. It's wild in some of the falls. Here we are, pretty close to it with this tree in the way, which I think I need to cut it, to be honest. Try and use it for tourism. So yeah, so nice to let me cross. I'm not going to not let me walk through that water. I'll be down here with the street. But they let me, so that's good. I would have done it anyway. Yeah. There you have it, not the best waterfall, but hey, with some flow, gets credit for that. Little trip over there I just found, dribbling in. I wonder where the secret track goes. A little bit here, a second. I don't think we'll go far, but we just cut away. Yeah, right. Okay, that's cool. I started going up the wrong track on the way back, so be careful when you go back. I started falling into the wall, but I thought it was this wall, but it wasn't. Another little secret track in the jungle here. So many secret tracks. This is why there could be a trip here. I don't know if it's dry, but they carved the wall away. Excavating something. New operation over there. I don't know what this rock is, but it's very soft. Coal? Nah, it wouldn't be coal. They full cut it away. Chiseled the wall. Alright, heading out. Another short and sweet one. On to more adventures. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this journey so far. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe for me. Hit the notification bell if you haven't already. So you're notified of all the new misadventures. I'll catch you guys in the next one, eh? Peace out.